Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials. Enable the mod, bind lightning to a gesture, and equip a conduction tool so the energy has a path. Once done, raise your hand and hold the charge button. This builds voltage instead of firing immediately. Make sure to watch your stamina and mana bars while charging, because overextending wastes energy and leaves you vulnerable. Practice a short tap to release a weak bolt, then a full hold for a sustained arc that leaps to nearby targets. You now shape the lightning. Steer the arc by orienting your hand and body. Small flicks create local zaps, while steadier aiming reaches distant foes. Once you contact metal, the bolt chains, strike an enemy with a sword or throw a conductive object to make it jump. Keep an eye on charge duration. Half a second gives a pulse, 2 to 3 seconds yields a sustained arc. Make sure to reposition between casts so the bolt has fresh targets and avoids friendly hit collisions. You complete the move by releasing the charge at the moment enemies are clustered, which maximizes chain damage and crowd control. If the lightning fails to arc, check mod load order and confirm your keybinds aren't conflicting with other inputs. Mods often override controls. If problems persist, save, restart the game, and reload the save to clear transient issues. Remember, test in a safe area to refine timing, correcting timing, and aim fixes most perceived spell failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.